How to download and play Minecraft on PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can download and play Minecraft on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Microsoft Store. After you open up your Microsoft Store, head over to the search bar. So let's let this load first. And right here, you can search for your Minecraft launcher. So search for Minecraft launcher. And after you find Minecraft launcher, which is this one right here, open this up. After you open this up, simply press on get. After you press on get, download your Minecraft launcher. And after you download your Minecraft launcher, let's install this. So while this downloads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. What you can do instead of that is also you can directly get Minecraft different versions like this, Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition for PC, and you can directly buy it from here as well. If not, just go to the Minecraft launcher, which is installing right now. So let's wait while this installs. So after it downloads, open it up, tap on play. And after your Minecraft launcher opens up, sign in with your Microsoft account. So after you finally open it up, you can sign in with your Microsoft. Tap on that and finally log in. So after you open it up, you'll find different versions of Minecraft. At the left hand side, you'll find the different versions as I just mentioned, the Java edition, the Bedrock edition, Dungeons, Legends, and many more. Select the one that you want and then press on buy now. Then finally choose the edition, that is which bundle you want, and then move out as you want, and finally check out to buy the game. After you buy the game, you can then play Minecraft. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. That's it. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.